Hi everybody. For this activity you are supposed to find the shape, the area and the perimeter of many shapes like the rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, etc. So for this activity you want to make sure to first name all your sheets. So you're going to rename the sheets. The first one is area and perimeter. Then sheet 2 is going to be volume of isometrics, and number 3, there are 4. Number 3 is conversion, and number 4 has to do with the quadratic equation, or to find the solution of a quadratic equation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to very briefly explain how do you do this, and you're going to do exactly the same thing for all your other sheets. So for area and perimeter, what you have to do is kind of like make it a square. It doesn't have an exact number of rows or columns that you need to use. You just want to make sure that you find the square, merge in center, and let's find the square of a rectangle. And the square and the area of the rectangle, so you want to put width and length, and obviously the area and the perimeter. So these are like the variables that you're going to use for the rectangle. So the width would be input by the user, the length also input by the user, and the area is where you want to put the formula. So here it would be width, which is b2, times length, which is b3, and you will get the area. And the perimeter will be the sum of the 4 sides, so it will be 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. So this would be kind of like the perimeter of what we need right now. So the user inputs any distance or any width and any length, and you will get the area and the perimeter. After you do this, you want to make sure you create a nice border and a nice format for your program, for your spreadsheet. You can create all borders. Let's add a little bit of color to the background. Add color to the background. Add some borders here. And in this spot, you want to go to Google Images. You're going to go to Google Images. Let's see if we can get some images about rectangle area. Look for Google Images, and of course you can copy and paste this to your spreadsheet. Okay? You can find others that work better than this one, but the idea is that you get your image on each of the ones that you need. I'm going to do exactly the same for volume and the conversion program. The conversion program, you want to go to Google and kind of look, for example, centimeters to miles, let's say, which is the first one. You will get a conversion table right here. So this is the factor that you need. This is the conversion factor that you need, and this is the one that you want to use, okay? So you can say, or kilometers to miles, it's this. So whatever you want to do, you can go and look over here and go back to your spreadsheet and use that factor to complete your table. This is supposed to be done in 2 classes. That's why I want to give you the video explanation of what you need to do, and good luck.